Hey there, future gold investors. Welcome to your ultimate beginner's guide to investing in gold. Excited to start your journey in buying gold? Awesome! You're about to embark on a fascinating and potentially rewarding adventure. I'm here to guide you through it all in just 3 minutes. Let's dive in. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to get started with gold investments. First things first, why gold? Why is it such a popular investment choice? Gold has been a symbol of wealth for centuries, and for good reason. From ancient civilizations to modern economies, gold has always held a special place. It's durable, rare, and retains value over time. Unlike paper currency, coins, or other assets, gold has maintained its value throughout the ages. Plus, it's a safe haven during economic downturns. When markets are volatile, gold often shines as a stable investment. So, investing in gold can be a smart move to diversify your portfolio. It acts as a hedge against inflation and currency fluctuations. Now, there are a few ways you can invest in gold. 1. Physical gold. This is the most traditional form of gold investment. This includes bars, coins, and jewelry. Each has its own advantages and considerations. It's tangible, and you can store it yourself. You have the physical asset in your possession, which can be reassuring. Perfect if you like the idea of holding your investment. However, keep in mind the costs associated with storage and insurance. But remember, storage and insurance can add extra costs. 2. Gold ETFs. Exchange-traded funds. These are a great option if you want exposure to gold prices without the hassle of physical storage. You can buy and sell them like stocks. Easy peasy. They offer liquidity and can be traded on major stock exchanges. 3. Gold mining stocks. When you invest in mining companies, you're betting on their success. This means you're investing in the companies that extract gold from the earth. Higher risk, but potentially higher rewards. The performance of these stocks can be influenced by the company's efficiency, gold prices, and broader market conditions. Do your research before diving in. Understand the company's operations, financial health, and market position. Decided on the type? Great. Next up, how much should you invest? This is a crucial step in your investment journey. Experts suggest keeping around 5 to 10% of your portfolio in gold. This percentage can vary based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. It's all about balancing risk and reward. Diversification is key to a healthy investment strategy. And where to buy? For physical gold, look for reputable dealers. Check reviews and ratings. Ensure they have a good track record and offer genuine products. For ETFs and stocks, any major brokerage will do. Simple, right? These platforms provide a convenient way to manage your investments. A quick tip: keep an eye on gold prices. They can be volatile. Market conditions, geopolitical events, and economic data can all influence gold prices. Buy in dips if you can. Timing your purchase can help you get the best value for your money. And remember, gold is a long-term investment. It's not about quick gains, but steady growth over time. Don't panic over short-term fluctuations. Stay focused on your long-term goals and be patient. Also, consider consulting a financial advisor. They can provide personalized advice based on your financial situation and goals. They can help tailor your gold investment strategy to your financial goals. All right, let's recap. Understanding the basics is crucial for making informed decisions. Understand why you're investing in gold. It's important to have a clear rationale for your investment. Choose your investment type: physical gold, ETFs, or mining stocks. Each option has its own set of benefits and risks. Decide how much to invest. This should align with your overall investment strategy and risk tolerance. Find a reputable source to buy from. This ensures the authenticity and quality of your gold, and keep an eye on the market. Staying informed helps you make better investment decisions. With these steps, you're ready to start investing in gold today. Take the first step and begin your journey towards financial security. Remember, gold can be a valuable addition to your investment portfolio. It offers stability and growth potential. So, take action now and watch your wealth grow. Thanks for tuning in. Your future self will thank you for making this wise investment choice. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more investing tips. We're here to help you make the best financial decisions. See you in the next video. Stay tuned for more insights and tips on building your wealth.